Hello there, my name is Hiten Sonpal and I am Head of Green Finance at MHA. Today we're going to cover off the benefits of installing solar PV on your business premises. Now to start off with, I'd like to share an example of how one of our clients has benefited from solar. A manufacturing business based in Hertfordshire installed a 240 kilowatt peak system on the top of their roof and their warehouse to help reduce their reliance on the grid, but more importantly improve their green credentials due to supply chain pressures. Now the system provides payback over a 3-year period due to 100% of the power generated being used on site, 60 tonnes of CO2 savings per annum, and a £96,000 saving per annum on their energy bills. Now with the current economic challenges businesses are facing with security of supply, rising costs, and the need to demonstrate their own ESG strategy to customers and suppliers, solar has moved to the top of the list, where you can reduce reliance on volatile energy prices, reduce energy costs, and more importantly, reduce your carbon emissions to support your ESG strategy. Now, based on research I've seen, it is not down to the customer not wanting to do this, but more around where to start, having the time to investigate this, and how to access green finance. Now, with many businesses tackling the economic challenges, going green has not helped that, which is understandable, and this is why we at MHA are trying to support our customers in achieving their net zero goals. Solar has been around for a long time, and harnessing the power of daylight to generate electricity is seen as a cost-effective way of producing power for any business. Now, there are a lot of myths in the market that solar doesn't provide a good return on investment. However, with current energy prices for businesses up at 60 pence per kilowatt hour, and the cost of solar being down at 5 pence per kilowatt hour, I'm sure you can see the financial benefits to your business. Now, expected paybacks that we're seeing at the present moment are between circa 2 to 5 years, depending on the amount of power the businesses use from the solar PV panels. Now, by considering solar as an option, your business could not only benefit from long-term energy security, but also reduce your overheads and in turn improve your business cash flow as well as your carbon emissions. Now, I appreciate some businesses may not want to or are unable to allocate funds for such a project even if they wanted to. Now, interestingly, the market does have options for you. So option 1, the business can actually own and purchase the solar project and use their own existing funds and reap all the benefits that you get. Option 2, if you're really keen on owning the solar project, then you can fund that through green finance and utilizing the savings to pay for the finance payments and spreading that cost over a longer period. And finally, if you are still not sure and don't want to take the risk of owning a project, let a third party own the project on your building and sign up to a power purchase agreement, or known as a PPA, which will be less than what you're paying on your electricity bill. There's no upfront cost to your business and instant savings on your bottom line. Having supported businesses over the past 12 years, it's great to see the financial market moving and expanding on its green finance offering, supporting businesses to invest in green tech. Now, many financial businesses are keen to reduce their own carbon emissions on their balance sheet, and one of the ways to do that is to lend more on green projects. At MHA, we're able to access a whole market offering for our clients to find the best solution with lenders who not only want to lend money on green projects, but also understand the technology as well.
Our purpose as a firm is supporting businesses on this crucial journey and delivering a sustainable tomorrow today.